Parker, do you want banana? Say please. You want apple? Strawberry? Oh, here. Here, look. What do you want? Here, look. Strawberry, banana. Want some apple? Oh. Apple? Oh. I'm not sure what you want. Here. Hold this. Okay, Paul, let's see if she'll feed herself. Here, hold the spoon. No, hold the spoon. Oh, you gotta hold it like this. Ready? Oh, there you go. Eat it. Take a bite.
Oh. Uh-oh.
You gotta lay it down like this. Uh-oh.